Have you ever wondered how Python interacts with your system's shell? How about running Linux or Windows commands right from your Python script? Stick around because in this video we're unlocking the magic of Python's subprocess module, the secret to running external commands. This is a powerful feature that can revolutionize your automation tasks and scripts. First things first, the subprocess module is part of Python's standard library, so it's available with every Python installation. To start using it, all we have to do is import it. Let's start by running a simple command. How about we list the files in the current directory? In Linux or Mac OS, we'd use the ls command, but here's how you can do it on Windows. Now this won't work on Replit, but if you try it on the desktop version, it will work. In this example, we're using the run function provided by subprocess, which runs the command passed to it and waits for the command to complete. Now let's try to capture the output of our command. To do this, we will use the check output function like so. The check output function runs a command just like run does, but it also captures the output of that command. Now when we print the output, we see a list of all the files and directories in the current directory. See if this runs on Replit. Oh, it does. One thing to note is that the output is returned as a bytes object. If we want a string instead, we can decode the output like so. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video on Python subprocess module. If you guys enjoyed, drop a like down below, drop a comment, and we'll catch you in the next one.